Hey guys, I'm Roger,
Hi, Mish.
and we are about to go and taste what is allegedly the best pie on the Gold Coast at a place called 5B2F.
Yeah.
And Mish, being from the Philippines, is going to tell us whether or not she actually likes Aussie pies.
Yep.
Which, of course, she must, because they're the best things
Let's
ever.
see if
Okay.
I like it.
You will.
Yeah?
You definitely will.
All right.
Or you'll be in trouble.
Okay, see you later.
Okay, thanks, bye.
Okay, bye. There you go. 5B2F.
All right, let's go. So we made it back from 5B2F, and Mish is about to unpack the goodies.
This is a pulled beef.
Pulled beef pie.
Yep.
That looks delicious. And by the way, 5B2F stands for 5 bread, 2 fish.
So where's the two fish?
I don't know if
How you say the two fish there?
I didn't see any fish. I gotta be honest.
Oh.
And look, Mish insisted on getting this sugary apple Danish, which
Look at-
looks absolutely delicious.
Look how beautiful is this.
So should we start with the pie?
Okay. I will start
Doesn't
the
look like
pie.
we just started with the pie.
The pie, it looks, I don't know,
It's kind of big.
outside, it's pretty good.
Pull the lid off a little bit. Let's see what's in there.
And very nice, guys. Have
It's
a
like
look.
a lot of meat.
Yeah. Yeah, it's called pulled beef.
Pulled beef.
Yeah.
Slow cooked beef. Delicious.
right.
So let's take a bite. Tell
Let's
us what
see
you
if
think.
I pass this pulled beef. You know.
Oh, that sounds crunchy.
Very good. It's not dry. The pastry is perfect.
Ooh,
Very nice and very crispy.
amazing. I'm starting to drool over here. I think I need to try that pie.
But we need this tomato sauce if you want a pie.
Oh,
Beef
okay.
pie.
We'll come back with some tomato sauce.
Alright.
And we're back. We've added some tomato sauce.
Yes, Raj put some tomato sauce in it. So I'm gonna try this because I'm a Filipino, so Filipino love tomato sauce, you know.
And so do Aussies. It's not a pie
Really?
without tomato sauce.
Okay, I will try. If there's a tomato sauce, the combination of the pie, especially the beef, the pulled beef, it's more delicious,
Yum.
you know.
Great.
So, yeah, I'm not complaining with this pulled beef, you know. If you go to the, what's the name of the bakery?
5B2F.
5B2F, go there.
In
There's a
Southport.
lot of choices there, you know.
So it looks like we've set pretty high standards because we're gonna go check out other pie places coming up.
Yeah,
So this might be the gold standard. 5B2F in Southport.
yeah, in Southport.
Check them out. Okay, so here I am trying 5B2F's pulled beef pie. It looks absolutely delicious. Massive amounts of meat. We got tomato sauce because that's what we do with pies in Australia. And here we go.
Oh. Okay, tell me.
Oh my god.
Very good.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Heaven.
That is one of the best pies I've ever had. Amazing. 5B2F in Southport, check them out.
All right.
Right. Okay, so that pie was as near to perfection as you can imagine. It had a flaky crust, not too dry, had a little bit of moisture in the crust as well. The meat was tangy and rich and cooked to absolute perfection. When you bit into it, it retained its shape. Honestly, that for me is about a 9.5 out of 10. And the only reason I'm not going to go at 10 is because it's the first pie we reviewed, and there might be something better coming up.
No, I'm very honest. I'll go for 10 out of 10.
Mish reckons 10 out of 10.
Of
So
course.
it gets the thumbs up from the Filipino crowd,
All right.
and definitely the thumbs up from the Aussie Kiwi crowd. It's probably one of
course.
the best I've ever had.
All
And
right.
now we are trying the apple Danish from 5B2F. 5 bread, 2
Two
fish.
fish.
That's not that confusing, but it kind of is to me. Okay, I'm not the sugar guy. Therefore, Mish has logically insisted I go first. So I'm going to take a bite here and we'll see what happens.
All right, tell me.
Wow. That's delicious.
All right, how's the pastry?
You probably heard the crunch in the pastry.
Good.
It's really nice, but underneath it's nice and moist. There's a bit of a custard layer there under the apples.
Yep.
Delicious.
How's the apple? It's not
Nice and sweet. Adds
overcooked
a-
or something?
No, just adds a nice little sweetness. It's nice and moist. And I don't think I'm going to share this with you. I think that's the end for you.
Don't finish, please.
Okay, so I relented and allowed Mish to share my apple Danish, which was very nice of me.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Look at this, guys. I can see it's like it's a very good pastry, but let's see about the taste. This one first. I'm gonna taste this first. The pastry is not dry. It's very tasty, you know. Some of the pastry maybe like when you bite it, like it's very dry. You can't taste anything. But this pastry is very good. And
It's like a combination of crispy and moist.
yeah, and I will try this here, the center, which is
Yeah.
there's an apple here. When you taste the apple, there's a crispiness. Yeah,
Yep.
it's not really overcooked. So, thumbs up for this.
What do you give it out of
Really
10?
good. I'll give 10 out of 10.
My goodness,
I'm very happy with this.
you're a very generous scorer.
Of course.
I'm going to give it like an 8.5.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Hey, I'm being honest.
All right.
It was good,
So,
but not perfect.
if you're here in Australia, especially Gold Coast, try the what's the name of that?
Oh my God.
5B,
Yep.
5B2F,
5 bread, 2 fish.
5 bread, 2 fish. That's a stand for.
As you'll see from the B-roll, they make all their stuff in-house, and it is absolutely delicious.
Yeah, especially my friend. Just go over there in Southpaw. All right.
See you
There's a
guys.
lot of choices there. If you there's a dessert, right, babe?
Yep.
Dessert like cake, different cake. So it's all this one as well. Pastries, beef. Perfect.
Amazing. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.